The 7 most powerful fat-burning meals, consistent with science in the event you're looking to raise your metabolism. Right nutrition can present up some convenient solutions, external of the gym. Integrating fat-burning foods into your eating regimen can serve to raise thyroid performance, revving up your whole system to naturally detox the physique. From avocados to lean protein, fats-burning meals are precious for constructing lean muscular tissues, decreasing cravings, and kick-opening weight loss. Meals that naturally have an excessive thermogenic influence offer up the nice bang for your metabolic buck. You'll be burning off energy even as you chunk. There additionally exist a handful of unique nutrients and compounds that skyrocket metabolism. Our favorite top performance foods for ridding the body of extra fat outlets additionally occur to be delights in the kitchen. Establishing events that you just look ahead to on a daily basis will set you up for fulfillment. Enter our list of MVPs. Science is ready to make summertime ab enhancements all too handy. It takes excellent fats to burn fat. The monounsaturated fat located in avocados set off fats burning hormones at the same time serving because the excellent energy raised for undertaking. Avocados also contain manoheptulose, a sugar that blunts insulin liberate and boosts calcium absorption, 2 features key to fats loss. They're additionally stuffed with antioxidants and low-calorie, vitamin-rich gas. In keeping with the gain knowledge of published in Vitamin Journal, contributors who ate simply half of a contemporary avocado with their lunch pronounced a 40% reduced desire to consume for hours later on. We knew guacamole used to be our existence drive. Add some to your everyday diet to stabilize glucose and insulin response and keep satiated lengthy after mealtime. Need to understand learn how to decide upon the superb avocado? We've obtained a consultant for that. Improve your metabolism with antioxidant-rich inexperienced tea. A low-caffeine substitute to espresso that is loaded with vitamins and minerals. Inexperienced tea's advantages comprise extended brain perform, curbed cravings, and expanded temper, additionally to its traditional fats-burning competencies. Inexperienced tea has additionally been demonstrated to lower free radicals within the body and scale back the chance of cancer. Have a couple of glasses every day. 4 cups is enough to raise metabolism, or are trying it as a matcha latte. The potent green tea powder is grown in the coloration, decreasing photosynthesis and boosting amino acid phases in the plant. A ceremonial Asian tea, the superfood matcha packs a strong amount of catechins, strong antioxidants that naturally detox the body. Fats-burning meals, bison lean meats have an excessive thermogenic result on the physique. Actually, 30% of the energy in lean meats are burned up throughout digestion. Crimson meat supplies most important proteins for building muscle and bone. It additionally involves immune-boosting zinc and a lot of B12. Bison meat ranks among the many easiest excellent meats that you may devour. Wealthy in amino acids and CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, bison also comprises 35% extra protein and not more than half of the fats and LDL cholesterol of beef. Fat-burning meals, eggs omega-3 fats support insulin sensitivity, thus naturally trimming stomach fat. A best protein, eggs contain 9 fundamental amino acids and polyunsaturated fats that naturally cut back irritation with the aid of suppressing the creation of enzymes that erode cartilage in the physique. Make certain you're selecting cruelty-free and ethically sourced animal products. For the first-class eggs you've ever had, we highly suggest hitting up your regional farmer's marketplace for the Farm Contemporary variant a week. It's valued at the marginal further price. Fats-burning meals, chili peppers high in nutrients A, C, B6, and K, as well as potassium. Crimson scorching chili peppers make a strong case for consuming spicy foods. Probably the most notable fats-burning compound located in chilies is capsaicin, which has a thermogenic result that may intent the physique to burn extra calories as much as 20 minutes after consumption. Add some habaneros or jalapenos to your summertime salads and also you'll additionally enjoy extra antioxidant power and average serotonin boosts. Fat-burning foods, ghee clarified butter is at the top of our list of unusual healthy meals. Fat is in all likelihood essentially the most misunderstood of the macronutrients, says nutritionist Renee Fitton. Fats are primary to our well-being. While trans fat can cause serious well-being damage, different fats, like those located in butter, can be important to suitable nutrition. High in butyric acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that reduces infection, ghee is drastically simpler to digest and comprises nutrients A, D, E, and OK. Ghee also involves conjugated linolenic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid that improves lean physique mass when consumed every day. Including ghee to your everyday events can improve powerful weight loss. Did we mention it's additionally crazy scrumptious? Fat-burning foods, grapefruit writer and slow-carb weight loss plan recommend Timothy Ferriss swears by using a dose of grapefruit previous any enormous food splurge. Ferris recommends utilizing grapefruit juice to maintain regular blood sugar stages, offsetting the insulin spike that follows drinking further carbohydrates on a cheat day. Excessive insoluble fiber. Grapefruit takes the body longer to digest, enabling the fruit to serve as a slight appetite suppressant when consumed before a meal. 1 glass of grapefruit juice before a feast is more likely to aid you eat fewer energy overall. Fat-burning meals. Bean sprouts. Preserving your weight loss plan alkaline will naturally prompt the body to detox and burn fats. Whilst you're attaining for leafy veggies, add in some uncooked sprouts. And great source of dietary fiber, sprouts are chock full of wellness advantages. Rich in nutrition A, B, C, and E, they incorporate mighty minerals equivalent to calcium, potassium, and iron. Mung bean sprouts are also fat-free and a great supply of vitamin B2, which helps to lift metabolism and burn fat, and fenugreek sprouts are a powerful digestive aid. The high enzyme content in sprouts helps the body to effortlessly assimilate vitamins and minerals and aids in appropriate digestion. Fat-burning meals. Candy potatoes. One of the crucial quality usual anti-inflammatory meals, candy potatoes are excessive in dietary fiber, with a targeted diet and mineral content. These complex carbohydrates contain nutrients B6 and C along with beta-carotene, as good as manganese to battle irritation. Some studies suggest sweet potatoes may just raise the hormone adiponectin, which serves to mobilize fat within the body. The low glycemic index carb can also be wildly convenient to prepare dinner and pairs with plenty of scrumptious recipes. Be certain to include these 7 fat-burning foods into your commonplace pursuits. They're stuffed with the vitamins and minerals your body needs to support you feel your high quality.